Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to replace Kidde Smoke Detector. So all Kidde smoke detectors, they come with 10-year replacement date. So if your house is completing 10 year or it's almost closed, or you just need to replace it for some other reason, you just need to take out the smoke detector first. So just take the top cover out, and at the back there are two clips. Just press and take it out. Now you just have to check on the plate. So just keep one thing in mind: if you're replacing the smoke detector with the same type, then you don't need to change the wire connection. So just make sure the pins at the old wire connection and the new smoke detector is same, and then you can just do the connection. But if you have to change the wiring connection, then you just need to open the sealing plate. So there are two screws on the top. You just need to unscrew them. So now to replace the smoke detector wires, you just need to go to the main connections. And in this one, if you see, there is a red, white and black wire in the smoke detector pin. And then from the main power, there is a red, black and white. So just attach the same color wire with the same connection, and then just lock it up. Just as a note, make sure your breaker is turned off from your electrical panel, so you're safe from getting any electrical shock. Now once all the connections are done, then you can put back the plate. If the plate is similar to your old ones, then you don't need to replace the plate, otherwise you can replace it. Just put the plate to the ceiling and then screw it in. So there are 3 pins here and 3 pins, so you just need to match them and plug them in. And make sure at the end you just press it to make sure that they are properly clicked. Now just do a quick smoke detector test. Just press and hold this for 2 seconds, and then it will run a test. So now once the test is done, just push in the wires back and align the holes here, and then turn it. So at the end, the hole will be properly aligned, and there will be a click sound. That means your smoke detector is attached. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.